Cool. What up, guys? Just out here doing an unboxing. What are we unboxing, right?
We are unboxing the Begode race.
Okay. Normal paper stuff.
Normal paper stuff. The tools for the pedals. The charger.
I like how the chargers look better than the other ones did. Don't be gentle, man.
I don't want to break it now.
Oh, good idea.
Front pad. Back pad. Plugs for the charging.
All right, you ready for me to lift it out?
Yep. Am I helping at all? Take the bag
I'm
off.
not that buff, bro. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Look at that thing, man. It looks so boring.
What?
Well, compared to that one over there, anyway. Holy cow. Smell it. Smell it, bro.
Smell the tire?
No, smell like right here. It's, oh. Ah, that's the smell of a brand new car.
Mm.
But even better, it's EUC.
It smells so good. Okay, so on the inside, in the back, we have the charging port right here with the cover. And we have the power button and the lift switch button. So we're gonna turn her on. Take her out of transport mode. There it is. How's it been working?
Because it doesn't need to be fully charged. Wait, hold on before you go anywhere. Right there, boom. Look at that beautiful screen. It's got no miles on it. And she's going to put all the miles on there herself. Okay, go ahead. No one else will ride this wheel. All those miles will be hers. This is her first suspension wheel. The suspension hasn't been set up yet, so we're going to do all that later. I need you to take the camera with you too. All you're doing is checking to see where you need your feet.
Okay.
told her? Yeah, I'm sure. She's gonna get another one for graduation.
Okay, I got it.
That will be the next wheel.
Has the light too, right?
Yep, okay.
Yep.
And that is the unboxing of Ninja's Begode Race.